It would seem to me that manufacturing would be one of the industries that would benefit most from AI, automation. Rajiv, let's start with the big picture now. How would you describe the current landscape of digital transformation in manufacturing today? And what forces do you think are driving the most change right now?
Yeah, Kevin. So historically, we've seen manufacturing was all about floor automation or manufacturing automation or ERPs being modernized or even supply chain visibility across all their partners. But as we're all seeing for the last few years, it's all about political pressures, tariffs, obviously AI in every step is the one that's driving quite a bit of change in all our customer base that are focused on manufacturing. And the question isn't really just about operational efficiency anymore. It's more, can you change the top line? Can you actually bring in more revenue? Can you create new business models? Even though everything around them is fluctuating, meaning their factory in China may go up and down in tariff, and real time being able to adjust to to procurement ahead of time, or shifting manufacturing from one place to another, especially in the large companies that have manufacturing across the world, being able to live scenario plan and adjust to changing needs around is the flavor of the day. Additionally, the things that are always good haven't gone away, like great customer experiences, especially on the self-service tools that are given to the retailers or even end consumers. And obviously, continuous work of opening up data from every system that they do have. So an AI decisioning engine can actually function. So we see a mix and match of everything I mentioned.